Hello student, for standard 8th subject is mathematics and topic is rational and irrational numbers. In previous year we already studied natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so and so. After that whole numbers, if 0 is joined these natural numbers, then new number series is formed, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these numbers are called whole numbers, and after that integers. In 7th standard we already studied integers. What is integers? In this series, whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so and so, and their opposite numbers which are -1, -2, -3, -4 so and so. All these numbers are integers. In my first video we already studied operation on integers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. हा जो इंटिजरवरचं जे काही क्रिया आहेत, 4 क्रिया, ह्या अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या आहेत, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण बेसिक हा पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिला. फॉर 8th क्लास रॅशनल नंबर्स. नाउ what is rational numbers? Numbers in the form m upon n are called rational numbers. In this situation, m is in numerator and n is in denominator, but the condition is m and n are integers, means in numerator and in denominator there are positive as well as negative numbers. And second most important condition is n not equal to 0, means denominator not equal to 0. Examples: 7 upon 3, 7 is integer, 3 is integer. 5 upon 2, this also rational numbers, this also rational number, because -2 is integer and 3 is integer. Here 5 is also rational number, because a 5 in 5 denominator is already 1. So 5 upon 1 means 5 is also rational numbers, but 5 upon 0 is not rational numbers, because in this by this condition denominator not equal to 0 and here is denominator is 0, so this is not a rational numbers. So there are so many rational numbers. तुम्ही पण वेगवेगळे उदाहरण देऊन समजू शकता की कुठले रॅशनल नंबर्स आहेत. आता इंटिजरमध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं की एव्हरी इंटिजर कॅन शो ऑन नंबर लाईन. दिस इज नंबर लाईन्स in line, on line, in equal distance. If there are points on equal distance, ज्याला आपण युनिट प्लेस म्हणतो, उजव्या बाजूला पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर्स आणि डाव्या बाजूला निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर्स, ऑल दिस सिस्टीम इज कॉल्ड नंबर लाईन. आपण इंटिजरचं नंबर लाईन जे आहे ते ऑलरेडी बघितलं आहे आणि 7th सुद्धा झालेलं आहे. नाउ एव्हरी रॅशनल नंबर कॅन शो ऑन दिस नंबर लाईन. एक्झाम्पल इज शो these numbers on number line. शो काय करायचं, ही नंबर लाईन आहे, या नंबर लाईनवर इक्वल डिस्टन्सवर काही पॉईंट आहेत आणि on this number line on right hand sides there are integers, positive integers 1 2 3 4 5 so and so. On left hand side -1, -2, -3, -4 so and so, means this number line is so big. Now how can show these numbers on this number line? First of all, in this all the numbers, in these numbers there are denominator is 2. In every number denominator is equal, same denominator, that is 2. सर्व रॅशनल नंबरमध्ये ज्यांचे ज्यांचे डिनॉमिनेटर इक्वल असतात ते आपण एका लाईनवर दाखवू शकतो. मीन्स इक्वल डिनॉमिनेटर, numbers having equal denominator we can show on same number line. If 5/2 and 5/3, we cannot show these two numbers in same number line because denominator is different. आता काय करायचं आपण, हे जर नंबर दाखवायचे असतील तर टेक धिस नंबर डिनॉमिनेटर 2. In this unit place part equal actually divide this unit place in two part. How can it possible? Take 2, subtract 1, 1. This means in these 2 point take 1 point in equal distance. If denominator is 3, then 3 minus 1 2. Take 2 point in unit place. So if we show this point, take 1 point in every unit place like this. Now first number is 5/2. This number is positive, so we will go to right hand side from 0. 5 points 1 2 3 4 5. Here is 5/2. Where is -5/2? This is negative, so go left hand side from 0 to 5 point 1 2 3 4 5. Here is -5/2. Where is 7/2? In this way go right hand side and in numerator there is 7, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 there is, and this in this point 7/2. Now 9/2, same, go right hand side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here is 9/2. In this way all these rational numbers can show on same number line. Like this second example you can solve. Take in unit place, take 3 parts in every unit place, and just like this you can show. Now we will study comparison of rational numbers. कंपॅरिझन्स, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये तुलना म्हणतो, दोन संख्यांची तुलना. इंटिजरमध्ये किंवा कुठल्याही नॅचरल नंबरमध्ये आपण तुलना यापूर्वी केलेली आहे सहज. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड 2 and 3, which number is greater? 3 is greater, 2 is smaller. Easily we can. Now these are rule. Actually two rational numbers, first is a upon b and second is c upon d. By this rule, multiply a numerator of first rational number to the denominator of second rational number, a into d. Okay. And secondly, the numerator of second rational number c and denominator of first rational number, that is b. This multiplication, after doing this multiplication, we can compare these two number. If first multiplication is smaller, then this multiplication already is greater. So this number means a upon b is less than c upon d. In this way, if first multiplication is greater, then first rational numbers is also greater than c upon d. If these two multiplication are equal, then already these numbers, means these rational numbers are equal. By this, using this rule, we can solve easily all the examples. On this board there are 3 examples. First example, compare these two rational numbers. By using this common rule, first of all, multiply 5 and 2. 5 into 2 is 10 and 7 into 3 is 21. Now write first 10 and after 21. 10 and 21, compare this number. Obviously 21 is greater and 10 is smaller. So if 21 and second number means second number is greater, then this 7 upon 2 is also greater than 5 upon 3. Means this number is smaller and this number is greater. Second, in this example, these two rational numbers, there is negative in both rational number. Using this rule, negative 2 into 2 equal to negative 4 and negative 3 into 3, this is negative 9. Write first multiplication, that is negative 4. Now compare. If there are two integers having negative sign, then already we studied which number is greater. आपण पाहिलं आहेस यापूर्वीच्या वर्गामध्ये की दोन्ही इंटिजरमध्ये जर सेम इक्वल जर साईन असेल निगेटिव्ह, तर जो नंबर आपल्याला मोठा वाटतो तो ऑलरेडी लहान होतो आणि जो नंबर लहान वाटतो तो मोठा होतो. म्हणजे ऑलरेडी दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर दॅन दिस. सो इफ negative 4 is greater than negative 9, then first rational number, that is negative 2 upon 3 is greater than negative 3 upon 2. Very easy. And lastly, multiply 2 and 10. 2 into 10 20, 4 into 5 20. Obviously multiplication is equal, so these rational numbers are also equal. In this way, we can compare any two rational numbers. In this exercise, there are so many examples. Solve or compare any two rational numbers, and also there are examples which we can show these numbers, rational numbers on number line. तर यानुसार आपण आज नंबर लाईनचा उपयोग करून कशा प्रकारे रॅशनल नंबर दाखवल्या तेही पाहिलं आणि त्यांचं कंपॅरिझन केली, म्हणजे त्यांची तुलना केली. तर हे दोन्ही जे आहेत या दोन्ही प्रकारावरचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सोडवा. पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये इरॅशनल नंबर्स कशा असतात त्याचंसुद्धा आपण ते सुद्धा बघणार आहोत. थँक्यू. धन्यवाद.